Hey folks, Larry here from Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews, and today is mail call, which should have been yesterday, was Saturday, but wasn't up to par quite yesterday, so I thought I'd do it today, Sunday. So let's take a little look-see and see what I got in the mail. Here we go. Now, I ordered this from AB Rustic Relics. I wanted this pen because I am a Parker fan. I love Parker fountain pens. I really do. And I'm reading the letter she wrote me. So, here we go. Let's open it again. And would you like to pronounce Brad's wife's name?
It's Amara Roselle.
Yeah, and she does what? She's the one who helps, right?
Yes.
She helps Big Bad Brad. I would call her his right arm. Now here we go. Here is a beautiful Parker jotter right here. Lovely pen. Now, this pen, my friends, has a medium nib. And it may come with a cartridge, I'm not sure. Let me see here. I think it does. So, I will be doing a giveaway following this video, and I'm going to tell you all about it. But here, one of my favorite pens, a great fountain pen, very affordable, and for me, it does the job extremely well, and I'm proud to say I'm a Parker fan, really am. Folks, that'll do it today. Thank you for joining me on Mail Call today. Until my next video, stay safe, stay healthy, wash your hands and all that jazz. But remember, don't text and drive. Live a while. Peace.